I've had 2 sump pumps fail on me in the last year, but thankfully I noticed before they could flood my basement. To reduce the risk of something like that happening in the future, I decided to get a couple sump water level alarms to install in the sump basins in my house. These are pretty simple devices that are easy for anyone to install, so I thought I'd go through the process quickly. This unit can be either zip tied to the sump discharge pipe or wall mounted. Since I want to mount mine to the discharge pipe, I attached the included mounting adapters to the back of the unit. The sensor is a simple float switch. You set the float at a level above the sump's set point, and if the sump fails to kick on, the bobber will float up and trigger the switch. This one comes with a bracket for mounting on the discharge pipe as well. I zip tie the float above the normal high water mark for the sump, and then clip off the extra zip tie when done. The float switch terminates in this little green block. It doesn't matter which color wire goes into which terminal. After hooking the sensor up, it's time to power it up and test it out. You can either push the float up so that it makes contact, or, if you really want, unplug your sump pump and fill it with water until the sensor goes off. Some wire management will finish the project off and leave the job looking tidier. I'm happy to have a little extra peace of mind with these sensors installed, even with 2 brand new sumps installed within the last year. Thanks for following along with this short video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.